back to See Your Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today we're going to be making a Filipino PANCIT PALABOK. It is a rice noodle dish made with a shrimp and pork sauce on top with a variety of cool toppings like shrimp, fried garlic, green onions, lemon, smoked fish, and a lot more. I'm born here in Canada. I don't really cook a lot of Filipino food, so bear with me. I'm going to make my own twist on it. Let's get started. We got the finished product over here. Want to get everything into a bite. Pancit palabok from scratch, my own twist on it. It's very savory, very smoky, it's really delicious. It's a labor of love, and I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe. Don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below, and we'll catch you guys in for another episode next week. Bye!